Today we're going to test the Pirate Crew, which is a whole fully designed AI system which we build in combination with Cloud Code and Hermes Agent. So this is the Notion page, which is more interactable and more dependent on a human UI rather than an AI UI on code and all. Like there are sub agents, like Cloud Code is a sub agent. I am on top of everything, and there is Hermes to orchestrate Sanji, Windsmoke, Frankie, Brook. These are all multi agents having their own job and their own criteria and descriptions. And as you can see, if I go here, you can see what we are going to do in the next days, and all of the things are actually created by Cloud Code and Hermes Agent. Nothing was created by me. So even if I don't want to go through all of this thing and understand what I have to do today, or I could go here and say, hey Hermes, fire up the Pirate Crew, and it's gonna go through Notion because wait a second. Yeah, because this is a onboarding setup MD. This is updated on Hermes Agent's startup.md, so it will go through the Notion first. As you can see, yeah, system 14, system portfolio health, total summary, total system 14 in production, build flow, board flow, and others. Blocked 0, average progression, Pirate Crew status, which is the main thing that we need to look. Role, strategy, and decision, blah blah blah. Cloud Code is there. Today's non-negotiable: 1 raw demo video, Windsmoke, complete the build agent demo video with real arithmetic beats, reply to all comments, and 1 community engagement. This would be our day task. And also, as you can see, there are a lot of other things which are running behind. What I have segmented is Cloud Code is very good for designing the whole thing and coding everything, but Hermes Agent is not as good for designing. But it's more like if you have like 10 sub-level employees, right? Like your customer management guy or a receptionist or an auto tester. These millennial works can be done by Hermes Agent. Like when I think yesterday, I think Sanji or somebody has told us to fix the pricing of our main website. So what it does is the multi-agent goes through our website and goes through the whole website UI. And since our pricing page was not updated yesterday or today, I need to update it in the night today. It had given me feedback. You know what? People are dropping off in the pricing page, so please update that. So this is how we use the multi-agent for today. Or from here, I think the system is getting better and better every freaking day. And let's see.
Guys, I have to tell you the truth. Apart from all the hype of Hermes Agent, OpenRaw, doing like auto searches there by undercover thing, I really think the knowledge and persistence is not actually working. That means like today if you update something, tomorrow it might not remember. So either I don't know how to set it up correctly, or it's just a hype or a bubble. So always take AI news with a pinch of salt. Since that one is a paid service and we just need a non-viable product at this moment, I will be purchasing that later on, but not today. Let's use Google and Amazon today. So let's get back to uploading the app inside the Play Store and also creating the assets necessary for the upload.
As this guy is completely wrong. You don't need to actually go through this website, which is this one, if I'm not wrong, which is the wipers.dev is a popular website where every UI UX or app designer says go there and generate the images. But first of all, it's not free yet, and second of all, it's not actually necessary for now. You could literally go to Google Gemini and type a prompt, and from Cloud you have to generate the prompt, and then go to Google Gemini and you can pretty much take all of the necessary demo and stuff like that from Gemini with excellent quality. And once you get that from there, you could go to any background remover, and then you can remove the background, and you could get something like this, which when you paste it onto any kind of website, I'm going to show ours, we have a really cool background like this or like this. So hope that helps. I think the better thought process is which AI to use in which time, and how do you have a problem or a challenge, and you just have to understand how to solve it with use of which AI. You can't use Brook here, you could use Banana using Hugging Face or XP or something like that, but it's kind of costly. Gemini is free in India at the moment if you're using a GeoSync. So I just wonder that my voice is really getting worse today because I was saying that healing process will not. I will see you in the next phase.